In the 17th century, telescopes were transforming humanity's view of the heavens. But they had a serious flaw. Images were often blurry and surrounded by strange color fringes. This distortion, known as chromatic aberration, was a major obstacle for astronomers. Isaac Newton saw the problem clearly, and he set out to fix it. At the time, most telescopes were refracting telescopes. They used lenses to bend and focus light. But Newton suspected the lenses themselves were the issue. Different colors of light refracted at different angles, which made it impossible to bring them all into perfect focus. The result? Colorful, fuzzy images. To solve the problem, Newton took a bold step. What if you could build a telescope that didn't rely on lenses at all? In 1668, Newton invented a new kind of telescope, one that used mirrors instead of glass lenses. It was the world's first practical reflecting telescope. His design used a concave primary mirror to gather light and reflect it back toward a flat secondary mirror. That mirror then angled the light to an eyepiece on the side of the tube. This clever layout avoided the color distortion caused by lenses. The image was clearer, sharper, and more accurate. And just as important, the telescope could be much shorter and more compact than existing models. Newton built his prototype by hand, grinding and polishing the mirror himself. It was only about 6 inches long, but it worked beautifully. In 1671, he presented his telescope to the Royal Society of London. The members were amazed. The small instrument provided a powerful, distortion-free view of the moon and stars. This invention didn't just improve telescopes. It proved that Newton's ideas about light were correct. Earlier, Newton had shown that white light was made up of all the colors of the visible spectrum. His prism experiments had challenged the belief that light's color was changed by glass. Now, with the reflecting telescope, he showed that avoiding lenses eliminated the color problem altogether. The Newtonian reflector, as it came to be known, quickly gained fame. It inspired future generations of astronomers to build ever larger and more powerful reflecting telescopes. Today, almost all major observatories, including the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, use the basic principles of Newton's original design. What began as a home-built solution to a technical problem became a turning point in scientific instrumentation. But Newton's telescope was more than a tool. It was a reflection of his mindset: question assumptions, test ideas, and let nature reveal her secrets through careful observation. Even in his early 20s, Newton was already demonstrating the inventive brilliance that would define his career. And that legacy continues to shape the way we explore the cosmos. If you'd like to learn more about the life and discoveries of Isaac Newton, consider reading a short biography of the scientist Sir Isaac Newton. It's part of the 30-minute book series by Doug West and is available now on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more stories from the world of science and mathematics.